Acne, spots or blemishes, whatever you call them, you've probably suffered from them at some point in your life. For an unfortunate minority, there is a more permanent reminder of them left behind once the initial outbreak has subsided, scars which can remain for many years, sometimes permanently. These can be a source of concern for many people, but what are acne scars? How are they formed and what can be done about them? Well, when a spot is formed, it causes trauma to the skin. Effectively, it ruptures the dermis and epidermis layers wide open. Fortunately for all of us, our skin can repair itself by manufacturing collagen in the dermis layer. This in turn heals over the initial trauma, patching up the hole left behind by the acne. However, in the case of acne scars, the skin has failed to produce enough collagen to restore itself to its former state. This lack of collagen leaves a visible reminder of the outbreak. There are several types of scar which may be left behind, details of which may be found on our website. So, what can be done? Well, there are a variety of treatments out there which all vary in cost and also in their effectiveness. What the Scientia Derma Roller does so well is to gently encourage the skin to naturally produce more collagen, restoring its appearance towards the pre-acne state. It can be used up to 5 times a week, gradually reducing the appearance of scars with no need for expensive treatment. What's more, the Scientia Derma Roller can be used in the comfort of your own home. Feel free to browse our site to discover how else the Scientia Derma Roller can help and to buy online. We're confident that you will see brilliant effects with our Derma Roller, and we'd love to hear from you after treatment to let us know your amazing results.